Hello everybody, welcome to Hey Kids Let's Draw. Thanks again for joining us on today's drawing. Please subscribe, let us know who you'd like to see us draw next, and today we are going to draw NBA great superstar Stephen Curry. Steph Curry of the Golden State Warriors really needs no introduction nowadays, the greatest shooter of all time, I would say. So let's get started. Find the center of your page up and down and the center of your page across, and then move up. We'll do Steph Curry's cartoon head right here. So get your dark marker with a pointed tip. We'll start by drawing the chin and jawline. Here we go. So go down, angle to the chin, come straight across, angle up. So we have this jaw. We'll do a couple of ears, little ovals on the side. Now we're gonna bump out a big on the side, bump out on each side, and we're gonna connect kind of with a round head. All right, so let's draw the oval eyes, kind of sideways ovals here. We'll draw a slight smile on Stephen Curry today. Refer to our other drawing. We did another drawing of Steph Curry, a little more cartoon-like, a little easier maybe. So, all right, here is a circle on the inside, circle on the inside, and then we're gonna go around that circle with our dark marker, kind of fill that in. That white area is the highlight of the eye. Let's do, go up on the side of the head, come out and up, come out and up, and then round, connect for the hairline. There we go. Come down from the edge of that eye, do a dot, the edge of that eye and do a dot. Those will be the little nostrils. Okay? And now let's do a smile. We'll go up to a point. It's kind of on an angle. So this side is higher than this side. Fill in the corners of the mouth with a little dark. Draw a little line for the lip. And here we go. He's got this, well, maybe we'll do it in dark brown, but let's do the eyebrows. Go up to a point and down. Go up to a point and down. And we will draw, he's got some scruff on this chin that he likes to grow out, a little bit on his lip. And then we're gonna do a mustache. So scribble this mustache to the edge. Scribble up and down, little up and down marks with your marker to the edge here. And scribble down to meet that beard. Scribble down to meet that beard. He's got not quite dark black. He's got more of a brown, so maybe we'll add a little brown to this in a minute. And I'm filling it in on the jawline because his beard is thicker right here, and then it kind of goes to thinner on the edge. Fill in that. All right, so there's our kind of filled in Steph Curry. And he's got we'll do a line for the teeth. And a little bit of a gap in his tooth right there. See how I filled that in with black? There's a little bit of a gap there, so let's do some smile lines. 1, 2, 3. When you're smiling, you get these wrinkles on the corners of your eyes. All right, so let's do the neck. We're gonna do, I'm gonna use my reference paper here. We're gonna do a down, down, to a point, curve and connect. That's for the jersey. Jersey, jersey. Rounded for the arms, round it out for the arms. Come down to the waist, over, angle down and connect to the waist. And now let's do some shorts. Come out, flare out on an angle, straight across, up to a V, down, straight across. Couple legs coming down, Start wide at the top and come down to a thinner ankle right there. Let's do some shoes. 1, 2, those are the tongues for the shoes. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces. 1, 2, 3 bumps for the shoelaces. We're gonna bring this toe out to the edge and down. Come straight across to the heel area, stop, and connect to the heel, okay? Bring this heel down, stop, straight out to the edge of the paper, stop, round up the toe and connect to the shoelace. All right, let's do a big oversized basketball right here. One of the best ball handlers probably of all time I've ever seen, Steph Curry. So he's gonna be dribbling 1, 2, 3, 4 fingers, dribbling that ball. Let's do his shoulder bump and bump, going behind that basketball. Bump and bump. All right, we'll do a bump for that shoulder, bump for the bicep, forearm going up. We're gonna have him holding like the number 3, like he just made a 3-pointer. So here we go, we're gonna curve that thumb. 1, 2, 3, and then his other finger behind that thumb. Bring the wrist down to the elbow. Bump and connect to the elbow. All right, cool. We have our drawing of Steph Curry blocked out here. What we're gonna do now is we're gonna color, we're gonna leave a white jersey, but we'll color the details now. So if you need to hit pause, we're gonna do fast forward. Feel free to pause this video so you can see the details of the jersey and where the colors go. But thanks for joining us on Hey Kids Let's Draw. Steph Curry of the Golden State Warriors. Fast forward now.